jury in the trial of Jozef Puska has seen CCTV footage of some of the last movements of schoolteacher Ashling Murphy. Mr Puska, who is 33 and from Mucklagh in County Offaly, denies murdering Miss Murphy beside the Grand Canal in Tullamore on January 12th last year.
Garda David Harney and his colleagues harvested more than 25,000 hours of CCTV footage the court heard before putting together a compilation of what they say are relevant clips for the jury to assess. Prosecuting counsel Anne-Marie Lawler said the first section showed the movements of Jozef Puska on a bicycle from just before 12:30 on the afternoon of January the 12th, 2022 until just after 2 o'clock on the same afternoon. At 12:25, Mr Puska cycles towards Tullamore from Mucklagh. At around 20 to 2, he's seen cycling behind a woman who heads into the Tesco store at a retail park outside the town. Mr Puska cycles down a service road beside the shop before heading back the way he came. A short time later, he's seen cycling behind a second woman for a number of minutes. He's last seen that afternoon at 2:05, cycling into a car park beside the canal. The jury was then shown footage of Ashling Murphy leaving the school where she taught just over half an hour later. She gets into her car and drives to the canal, parking in the same car park. The last image of Ms Murphy shows her at 2:55, setting out along the canal, wearing a pink bobble hat, a scarf and runners with a white sole. Those items were among some of Ashling Murphy's belongings produced to the court today. Scenes of crime examiner Garda Ronan Lawler said he observed them beside her body at the Grand Canal. The jury was also shown her sunglasses, her necklace with the word Ashling, a ring, a GAA top and a blood-stained white T-shirt. Paramedic Paul McCabe gave evidence of arriving at the scene to find Gardaí trying to help Ms Murphy. He said paramedics and Gardaí lifted her body out of the ditch to try to carry out further intervention, but he said there were no signs of life. Nothing else was going to make a difference and they covered her with a blanket. Orla O'Donnell, RTE News, the Central Criminal